give you love. It could never be enough, but just need enough for me to grab and keep. Just keep. Have it in me to last through the week. Lord, fill me up, so there's no need to eat. They're fasting now, off the ground at their feet. Higher than what I felt prior. I am just so tired living in your dark world. Higher, devil, you are fired. See how this works. You no longer work for me.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. This time, got a little bit of something different done to it. Excuse all the mess here. Got a whole bunch of wires going. So I'll pop open the hood. I was able to get the PCDs installed. You see it right there, pre-cat deletes, pain. I don't recommend it to anybody. It definitely took a majority of the day to get done, just kind of chilling, relaxing. Car's too low, or else I show you the J-pipe. I got a little bit of surprise for you too. Oh, this ain't the surprise, but I was able to get a K-tuner as well. This is a V2. You know, base map's supposed to add a little bit more horsepower, so we'll see. I mean, have had it for a couple weeks now. I've had the PCDs and the J-pipe on for about a week. And since then, I've driven like 700 miles on this thing. But yeah, I'm gonna do a cold start, and then I'll do my normal drive-bys, windows up, windows down, running through the gears, eco mode. I'll do the whole 9 yards for you, so that way you're able to kind of capture the sound. Let's go ahead and capture the sound. I like that. We'll go ahead and capture the sound. I want to give you guys something to look at, so I'm gonna place it right here. Right here. That's good right there. This is my Sunday attire. I know I wore it in another video. It's my Sunday attire. Yeah, but this thing does sound kind of like a beast, and it's at my will, which I like. So in addition to the PCDs, the J-pipe right there, I have installed a electric cutout. So at the flip of a switch, I can make this thing go in hybrid mode. At the flip of a switch, I can make it go in beast mode. I like it. This thing is like super duper loud without the cats. I did this before. It was pretty loud, but I mean, I'm still kind of close by my house, because you can hear this thing probably like, you can hear this thing some serious distance, but it's pretty loud, man. And then you go ahead and close her up, and then she's quiet again. So we're gonna go ahead and go for a little trip, tater chip. Gonna go ahead and go for a little trip, tater chip. Now let me stop. We're gonna go for a little trip though. K-tuner. We're at 122 degrees Fahrenheit, ECT, intake air temperature 73 degrees with the vehicle running for approximately 69 seconds. That temperature should be lowering down as we proceed to move the vehicle forward through the air. I'm gonna go ahead and pivot this vehicle around this roundabout here nicely. Excellent. My phone's on 5%, so I gotta make this quick. Oh, wow. All right, that sucks. But yeah, this is just with the PCDs. I'll try my best. As I said with the last video, you know, I'm kind of driving one hand. I'm finna go into beast mode. We're officially in beast mode, ladies and gentlemen. Let her rip, tater chip. Even though it's a Honda, we're still gonna be labeled let her rip, and it's still a tater chip. Down to quiet mode. Alright, my phone's about to die, so I'm gonna have to pause the video, put it on charge, and then get you some outside shots of this thing letting it rip. Alright, what's going on, guys? Phone died the other time, so I'm back again to continue. Right now, I'm on a pretty open road for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead in hybrid mode, haul a little bit, and then turn into beast mode, haul a little bit. All right, so hopefully no one steals my camera. I'm like petrified now. That one time, if you look at my muffler delete video, county tried to come in, and know what it was. They tried to turn around and take off with my little camera here. Hopefully no one does that. But let's go ahead and capture the sound. Probably gonna come back in beast mode. All right, y'all done captured the sound. 503. Let's get it. Man, the blinkers look good, LED. So I went ahead and got LED blinkers. Well, LED, everything outside of the car is LED besides the tag light and the reverse lights. Those are lights that, I'm like, yeah. So, but I really like the LED lights in the back. I got the blinkers LED, brake lights LED. Man, this thing sounds so good. Everything's LED. We'll go ahead and capture the sound again inside on beast mode, and then we'll head into hybrid mode. I'm gonna wait for this gentleman here. Oh, you can't really see him, but he coming in a big rig in a nice GMC Sierra Denali, probably with that grill. All right. Back in the hybrid mode, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Boy. I really want to get a clip around this corner, but this thing, man. I don't like when this gimbal messes up, but let's get it. Gear. Whoa. Whoa. I mean, I'm not going to do a windows up because this car doesn't drone when it's in hybrid mode. It doesn't drone at all. I mean, here, I'll put it in beast mode. That's beast mode. Just cruising, man. This thing does pretty well, whether it's loud or not, really. My gimbal can't keep up with the turning. It's struggling. This thing sounds nasty, man. Level out. There we go, I guess. Finna go ahead and beast mode. Windows up. To be honest though, when it's in beast mode, I never had the windows up. Unless it's raining. Popping, boy. So this is yeah, see, it's leaning with the car, which I guess is not bad, but it just stays leaning up. I apologize for the camera quality. That's the really like is 25 to maybe 35. It just raps so much when you let off. That, I don't like it. It's garbage. But this is what it sounds like inside the car. I mean, I can still hear myself. This is barely off the throttle, like if I'm cruising at 25. You know, you can hear it. It's got a nice rumble to it. Got a nice rumble to her. You know, go ahead and got a nice rumble to her. Getting the character for that voice, man. I gotta do a little bit of, you know, getting the character, bruh. So I'm back on the main road, and ladies and gentlemen, if you live in the town that I live in, which is Mexico, you will know that La Policia is very disruptive out here. So that's pretty much, I like those cars, man, but it's still a Hyundai or a Kia or whatever it is. They're still both Korean, man. So, but that's pretty much inside and out. Like, I like when I'm next to someone's window, and then I go ahead and downshift, or shift period, and then it pops. They're like, whoa, what's happening? What's happening? But that's it, man.